Hey guys, there's a small part in this video that's kind of hard to watch. So if you're the type of person who's really sensitive to something suffering or in pain, don't watch the video. If you choose to watch it anyway, just send it some positive energy and thoughts, or pray for it. Yeah, that's all. Oh, also I'm super sick, and being sick really sucks. But I have a bunch of things that hopefully will get me better, like warm tea and vapor rub, vitamin C, lots of juice and stuff. But yeah, send me some positive thoughts too. Okay, I should save my voice. That truck. Scared kitty cat. Oh, I know she's gone. You see the reflection of her bum. You guys see that one there? She actually has like her paw on the right is broken in. Oh my darling. Oh. Yeah, that can't be in any way pleasant.